Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan. Yes, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. It's been a great week. Thursday. Today's Thursday, right? It should be Thursday. Let's check the calendar. I actually forgot. Yes, we have one more day. We have a really good month. Last day tomorrow, I think. And yeah, it's been a great month, been a great week. We never had a red day yet. We have one red day this month, and that's it. And it's been a great week. This week was probably my best week, all like compared to the other weeks for this month. And yeah, today I traded NIO and AAL. On my list was actually this three ones: AAL, SRNE, and um, what's this? SRNE and NIO. But AAL, I got stopped early. As you can see here, I was risking just 35 or this low of this candle here. But yeah, I was risking low of this candle. I remember. So I was taking profit here, small profit, because this is going to be, I think, a 2-to-1 or 1-to-1, and then this will be a 2-to-1. I was hoping for a break, but the thing is, I got stopped early, and I thought it's gonna squeeze down, like it's gonna drop. But yeah, sometimes you have to respect your stop. I always do that, and yeah, NIO was the next one. Let's go to NIO. NIO did great. There were no volume at the first minute. It's only 300,000. Next is 200,000. Next is close to 300,000, but I shorted it because it lost this 1930, 1993 or $20. I was risking high of day, which is about probably a 20-cent risk as well. And look at that drop. I was having hotkey problems again. I was like, what's happening? I was trying to take profit here, 10%, but it's not really taking any profit. So yeah, and then that's why I aggressively taking partials again. I could have been a really, really nice drop. I don't know what's wrong with my platform. And look at that. Was this I added here and caught the whole move because I decided to add because I'm out most of my shares here and shares here as well. Probably I'm out 90% or something, and then I missed the whole move. I was having FOMO. I added half, and look at that. It's great. Um, what else? Yeah, let's watch my trade. There you go. I was actually watching AAL for a long. If it holds this 1330 area. There you go. It opened red. There's volume. I thought it's going to be a short, but I waited patiently, as you can see here, and I waited for it to be a green candle around 43 area, and yep, there you go. I was risking low of day, 1325-ish. So I can't remember what I was doing here. I think I can't remember. I think I was having hotkey problems, I think, again. And then I said, what's really happening? So, yeah, and then I missed it. I said, let me check my, what's this? Let me check my hotkeys again. And then look at that. It moved without me. Could have been a really, really nice trade. Could have been a 1-to-1 here. These are small partials. That's really good. And I decided to trade NIO. Yep, because it was about to drop and lose this level, because I have this line here, 1993. So here is for me to be able to long if it breaks 90, but it's really holding 90. It's a round number, and I took it short here. I was having problems with my hotkey hits again, so I was partialing manually at this point. So yeah, it's bad, but it's fine. It worked. I have my stop ready just in case this goes back. And yeah, the volume kicked in. Look at that, 200,000, as you can see here. Really, really good move. So I was just taking partial because my hotkeys were not working at all. There you go. Look at that volume. That's like 5 million volume in there. I don't know what really happened in there. Like a huge sell off. Look at that move. Crazy. I wish I held more shares here. It's just I was having hotkey problems. Could have been really, really nice profit. That's fine. I decided to probably add somewhere here. That's where I was thinking maybe I'll add it round number 50 just in case. There you go. I added. It didn't touch 1950 at all. I added hoping to take 1910. Another good partial in there. I added half on my original size there. I was looking for orders. There you go. There's more orders. 19. Maybe it's gonna go to 19. Yep. Took somewhere off. Nobody's selling. Come on. Break 19, please. There's a huge order in there. It's about to break. There you go. I took most of my profit there. Or my shares. I didn't see any imbalance. It's gonna go and continue. I should have taken all out here because it's dried up already. The whole move happened here. So yeah, I think that's the guy. This 5 million shares, that's probably the guy who was like waiting because it's been up for like 2 days now, 2 days, 3 days in a row. And why would you not take and sell 5 million shares? Imagine how much is that. That's probably, let's say you bought 5 million shares at 14, now you're at 20. How much is that? That's a lot of money, right? 5 million shares. So I'm all out. Yeah, that's I'm wondering who are these guys. There's like a huge sell in there. Just hit the bid, dump. Yeah, it's just funny to see these people having this amount of money in their pockets. But yeah, that's about it. It's kind of boring day, I think, but I'm gonna try to fix my hotkeys today and see how it goes, or maybe tomorrow before I start the day. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll check out trade a small shares see if it's working. We'll see. Yeah, hope you guys like my video. If you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and I will help you out if you have any questions. The reason why I didn't trade this because there's no volume. There is volume, but not that much. I normally trade at least 5 million, at least 1 million at the open, and whichever has the highest volume, that's what I'll trade. I can actually just rewind here and let's probably go and see how I picked which stocks to trade. So right at the open here, as you can see, 9, okay, like here, right? You can tell 30.53, as you can see here, 30.53. This had what's this? AAL had about 1.7 million. So what's this? Let's look at SRNE. SRNE. Oh, AAL, not SRNE. AAL had about 1.7 million here. You can tell, right? 1.7 million. That's why I focus on that one, because there's pressure. I don't know why I don't have SRNE here. Yeah, that's why probably I didn't watch it. But I have SRNE in my list. It's just not in my 3 charts. So yeah, if you can see NIO, it only had 200,000. So let's look closely. What's this? 2.5 million for this. 3 million. And NIO only had about 500,000. So normally that's where you probably focus on that stock. It had about 4 million now, 5 million. That's crazy. And then when I saw NIO having good volume, not 1 million yet, but it's losing 20, so I said maybe I'll short it. 700,000 volume is kicking in. Look at that. If it drops 85, it's gonna just gonna be more volume in there. There you go. So this is 5 minute actually, so I can tell how much volume it has within the 5 minutes. 1 million volume, so that's a good sign that it's gonna break 1968. As you can see here, it's a really good indicator, like just volume. I call it just volume. Yeah, so when I trade here, I move to my main chart, which is this one. This is where I took profit. On my left, took profit, and this is where I watch my main ticker, because I only trade one stock at a time. I don't trade two stocks at the same time. I try not to, because I can't really do it yet. My brain is not that fast. But yeah, it's been great. Yeah, so if you like my video, hit subscribe, and yeah, have a great day, everyone. Peace.